Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Rizkiansa. I am studying in Institute Science and Technology Al-Kamal. I will present the journal resume, phytochemical and biological screening of Oenothera binis hydroalcoholic extract. In her supporting lecture, Prinianati SGA MSA, in class Pharmacognosy 1. Next, first introduction. Oenothera binis, or OIB, also commonly known as evening primrose, belong the Oenograceae family and has the base study biological active of all the members in the family. In therapy, the most frequently used type of extract are from the air path, which are the fat oils obtained from the seed and have a wide range of medicinal property. And purpose, the aim of this study was to evaluate the phytochemical composition and biological activity of OIB hydroalcoholic extract and to provide direction for the antimicrobial effect, antiprofil active, and pro-apoptotic potential gain I375 melanoma cell line, and anti-angiogenic and anti-inflammatory capacity. Next, material and method. Number 1, plant material. Dried aerial part of OIB were brought into Romania, so in Romania, from the southern part of Tunisia, by a study of the Victor Beit University of Medicine and Pharmacy. The plant was identified in the Department of Pharmacognosy and was assigned the voucher specimen called OIB. Extraction was conducted as described. Dried air part were ground. 10 grams of plant material were brought to a powdery state and mixed with 50 ml of 70% ethanol. The extraction was performed in ultrasonic beds under the following condition: 20 minutes, cold and 50 derajat Celsius. After sonication of OIB extract was filtered with the help of a vacuum pump and the solvent was evaporated until dry with the help of a rotasi evaporator. The OIB extract was stored at -2 Celsius until used. And method. Number 1, determination of individual polyphenol. In here, let's see the point also. 1, determination of individual polyphenol and determination of total polyphenol content. Next, determination of the total antioxidant active, in vitro antimicrobial active, cell culture, and another method, antiproliferative assay entity, antimigratory activity evaluation use the SCRED assay method, detection of apoptosis via 40 and 6 diamine to penyl staining. Next, high resolution respiro study. Next, experimental protocol for permeable glass and chicory-allantoic membrane (CAM) assay, and in vivo TPA introduced inflammatory protocol, histopathologic assessment of NICR, and final statistic. Next, result. And figure 1. The liquid chromatograph of individual polyphenol is present in figure and figure 1. Among the screen phytochemical, the following compounds were detected. Number 1, gallic acid and caffeine acid, epicatenin, coumarin acid, ferulic acid, rutin, and rosmarinic acid. Look at the diagram, figure 1. Next, the ethanol extract obtained from the aerial part of the OB has now amount of total phenolic content. Of extract assumed by Onscred, the liquid antioxidant active was 7 to 5.8. The results are displayed table 1. See table 1, sample, EP, and correct. Next, the mix follows for Candida and Aureus, where low 10 phosphor facalis or gram-negative bacil. In addition, the value of MGC were higher than those of mix. Based on this result, we can declare the test extract. See table 2. Bacteria species and inhibit diameter, MEC, and MBC. And in figure 3, the migration potential of A375 cell was hampered by the OB extract in a concentration-dependent manner. See figure 3, cell migration and proliferation potential. After in population, A375 melanoma cell until the develop come we evaluate the tumor cell distribution and the result vascular reaction after exposure. See figure 8, tumor angiogenesis evaluation in the CAM CAM assay use. In ovotumor, cells were exposed to the OB extract next to the DMHO as the control. And finish. Conclusion. The molecular fingerprint in terms of individual polyphenol and flavonoid of the hydroalcoholic extract were obtained from the aerial part of the UB collection from the sub part of Tunisia and include gallic acid, caffeine, epicatenic, coumarin acid, ferulic acid, rutin, and rosmarinic acid. Total phenolic content was 631. Extract and the antioxidant active 7,000 and 258. The tested extract had a mild bacteriostatic effect on the test bacterial strain. It was only bactericide against auren but fungicidal against all the Candida test strain. In the cell experimental condition, the OIB extract only manifests significant anti-proliferative and pro-apoptotic acid against the A375 human melanoma cell line at the Higg tested concentration, namely 80 microgram milli. The migration potential of I375 cell was suffered by the OB extract in a concentration development. All this data support the idea that the hydroalcoholic extract obtained from the algae important biologies active in vitro, in ovo and in vivo. Construction premise for the sake of comprehensive experimental animal model study and then might be even clinical trial in order to benefit from the potential of the bioactive molecular present with this extract. To the base of knowledge, this is the first comprehensive biological evaluation of the hydroalcoholic extract obtained from the aerial part of ID. This journal attachment, biomolecular, phytochemical, and biological screening of Oenothera benis, hydroalcoholic extract. Okay, finished. Thank you. Final, sorry if there is a mistake, and thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.